Hi, it's Miss Todoric from the Cool Classroom. It's been a very long time since I've been on NatureType. Let's see how long exactly. So I'm going to log in and the computer classroom, no account found. You see that's how. All right, I think it was W Todoric 9 was my screen name. I could be wrong. Okay, yep, it is. All right, so W Todoric 9 is my screen name. Let's look. What level? All right, I had the Google Classroom for the fans and then the computer classroom. So this is the TCC 21. I'm going to close out of that. All right, here we are. Wow, Nitro Scholar. I have 2 friends online. I'm going to claim my mystery box. And then I still have all these cars in my garage. Yay. Let's see when the last time I was on here. I'm going to accept. Okay, these guys, I don't know these guys. So these are 2 online friends. Let's go to my settings. Alright, so that's my display name. Account. I have to change my email. This is inactive. Let's go password. Alright, class. I do have a teacher portal. Oh, right here. So here are some last race 3 days ago. Okay, so I do have a couple 3 months ago. Yeah, it's been a while since these guys haven't been on here either. Team. Let's create our new team. All right, so we're going to get TCC 21 back. We're going to call it, we're like the computer part, we're the cool classroom now. I don't know if I should just go back. We'll just call it TCC 21. And then we'll go with blue. No. Let's see. Create team. All right, TCC 21. All right, we got our Miss Todoric team. We have 1 member. We're set. All right, we just created our team. My class, let's take a look. I'm going to access this teacher portal. I think I have, I'm not sure, but I might have like membership. My gold license, let me see. 7 remaining licenses. I do, so I can upgrade a couple of students because it's like $10. All right, so let's go back. So we can do that. All right, let's go back to NatureType. Let's do a race. All right, so I'm officially back. This is our first race. Oh, look, they still have the same tracks, same stickers. Pretty cool. All right, it's been a while. I know I'm be resting. All right, let's see how I do. Oh, I forgot we have the enter for the nitro. I forgot you hit enter, you skip a word. All right, I felt like I was last place. What was that? Okay, so they have some new daily challenge progress. This is new. This is looks new as well. Alright, so we were 3rd place. Not good. Wow, I did a total of 6,000 races in total. That's insane. Let me check out the news. So they have leagues. Okay, so this is all new. I probably new for me. Like I said, I haven't been on here in a while. So they got some good things going on. Let me check out I like to check out the shop. See what kind of new vehicles they have. Alright, so I have some cash. Type NATO. Let's 4-leaf rover. Alright, so we got a few things here that I don't own and would like. Ooh. Yeah, I want a couple in this category. Stickers. Imagine all that cash. Wow. Okay. Alright, looking to the other tracks. Oh no, I was in the lead, I think. Probably second. Yeah.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright guys, that's it. Till next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.